Television Centre in London. This is Good Morning Britain.
Our next guest became the first person ever to walk the length of the River Yangtze.
Well, it took 2 years to plan and another year to do it. Ash Dykes says he's the first person to achieve the feat, enduring sub-zero temperatures and high altitudes along the way. Our correspondent, Charlotte Lomas, spoke to him and asked the all-important question, why?
Ash, tell everybody what you've done.
Ash Dykes has completed his third world first.
He's back from some journey, let me tell you.
You know what I thought when I heard that you did this? I thought two things. One, I thought, this guy's insane.
This is ITV News at 10.
It was not plain sailing.
A lot of people deemed this expedition as impossible. Every day was possible. Through hard work, sheer determination and grit of just keep standing up and pushing forward, anything can be achieved. I always say that the locals can make or break a journey, and the locals on Mission Yangtze certainly helped to make it extra special. Along the way, I partnered up with amazing organisations and environmental companies that are helping to protect and preserve the natural environment along the Yangtze River. So this mission is complete, but the journey still continues. There are more in the pipeline, bigger, more extreme, even just as ambitious. We can't always be motivated, but we can be disciplined.
Epic achievement.
Yes, thank you.
Let's hear it for us, shall we?